Something just hit me. Since we just finished the ribbon unboxing and unbagging, and I already have the setup here with the light and everything, and the camera's already here, so I decided I would go ahead and go into something else, okay? So let's just wing it out from there and just try it out. You know, I'm also trying to give some pretty interesting content. And not that I'm making this stuff up, but it's like stuff that I'm already doing, so I just go ahead and share it and see how it works out, okay? Right? So let's try this. I've seen other content creators do this, so I'm gonna try it out for my first time and see how it works. So let's do a wardrobe change and get to the next episode of this, or the next phase of this, okay? So let's do like they do. Boop, boop. Ooh, wardrobe change. Okay, so I'm going to move this stuff over, and I'm just gonna, as they say, I'm just gonna swipe right. Just swipe right. Okay. So I got some more stuff that I have, so I guess I'll go ahead and share. Okay, so I love the water, which I'm going to be showing a lot more of my travels when I was in, when I lived in Greece for a year or so. I'm going to share some of that content when I was out some years ago. But this year I've been seeing this at Walmart because I really do enjoy snorkeling. Yes. So, and of course we're getting ready for the Caribbean. So this is it is a Dolfino, adult small / medium frontier full face snorkel mask. So looking forward to trying this trying her out. So let's check it out. And it's supposed to be well, you can breathe a lot easier and it doesn't fog up and all that good stuff. So, and I'm actually going to read the instructions. Usually I don't read the instructions. And the one thing that caught my attention was that I can hook my GoPros up to it. So I'm looking a lot forward to doing a lot more footage with my GoPros. And I have a lot of snorkeling gear, quite a bit of snorkeling gear. So I want to actually hook everything up and how it works with the snorkeling, with everything. And it feels for, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, Sherman. Oh, Sherman. So, we're going to check this out. It's pretty interesting. I think it's going to be fun. So, I got some other pieces, a couple of O-rings in here for something. And this attachment, I got to figure out how this works. So, y'all stay tuned for that. So, we're looking forward to that. As in going forward with our travels. So, you know what's on, my youngest son and I, we've been talking about doing some traveling once I fully retire, but between now and me fully retiring, we're going to be doing some trips. So we're going to be learning other languages, so guess this might give you an idea of where we're going, okay, one of the places that we're going. So once again, getting my foreign language skills up and everything, still working on my Spanish. My Italian is still, you know, it's decent. I know enough Italian to be dangerous. I lived there for like 3.5 years, but anyway. So, and I did pick up a couple of my, now the other charger that I had, it was like a little bitty charger that I had, and I want to get more chargers, so I went ahead and on Amazon again and ordered these here. So this is a Romos, I don't know, I mean I pronounce it right around. So this one here is a 30,000, I don't know if it's like milliamps or something for the charge wise. So, and then of course being over the road, you never want your phone to go out, the battery to go out. I had another big charger, but I accidentally got it wet. It was one of those Mophis that I got out of I think I picked it up out of from a, I think it was a pilot somewhere, but I accidentally got it wet. And I bought some other ones from points that I gave to my son and his wife and some other relatives I gave. So this is another one. It's pretty bulky, which I don't mind. So pretty cool. So it has multiple ports, multiple charging ports, as you see, and it's pretty sleek. It's pretty thick. So I wanted want plenty power when it comes to all my GoPros and all my other filming stuff I got when we have going on. And this one is like it says Sense Ace Plus Power Bank. And of course I haven't read the instructions on it, and I'm probably gonna do that. I may or may not. And then I got another one by the same company. It's a big one, has like a digital readout on it. I thought it was pretty cool. So I don't like running out of power on my batteries. On my batteries, I do not like running out of power. I repeat, I do not like running out of power. And I'm always that person that another person can charge their phone with. And of course, individuals say it's so big and bulky. So I like big and bulky. You know. I like big and bulky. Yeah. Me being the big boned person that I am. Alright? There we go. So let's check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Now this is a literally unboxing for real. Oh wow, the box is much bigger than what it actually. Oh wow. Smell. It's like give it a workout with this bad boy. Hold on. Ooh. Good stuff. So there it is. Oh, this smoke is huge. Big 40 plus. Multiple ports. Digital readout on it. Pretty cool. I just gotta remember, hey, don't drop it. It's pretty cool. And this one here actually has charging cord. Yes, it comes with one. The other one, did it comes with it didn't come with a charging. So it's okay. I have plenty. So once again, this is the unboxing. We got these power banks that we have, and I call them battery packs, power packs. So it says power bank, fast charging power bank. So we got a couple of these by, I think the word is pronounced Romos or Romas. I don't know. Anyway, and I got my handy duty snorkeling mask. So we're looking forward. And I probably got to get some new things too. I'm sure my other ones are probably old. And they're packed up somewhere because I don't think I actually used them since I left Greece some years ago. So, but anyway, that was my first unboxing. That of many more to come. But anyway, oh yeah, and one other thing. Of course, getting our language skills on point. We're coming. We are coming. Excited about getting to some Portuguese language. And I'm still working on my Spanish, and I got to brush up on my Italian, and that's about it. So hey, it's Mr. K31 Kino, by way of Inspiration Addicts, by way of Tank Nation, by way of whatever we getting into or however we doing it. We just having fun in the process. That's it. So we out. Stay locked in to where you gotta go. Stay focused, and don't remember what your purpose is. Never forget who you are, and always understand your why. And why not? We out. Peace out.